So this is our first little touch up for the day because we want to look nice and not shiny for the video, right? Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, as you can already tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna go into doing this review of the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Foundation. It's the SHEGLAM here we are. So it's the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. Now guys, as you all can clearly see, my face still looks gorgeous, still looks amazing. I mean, in all fairness, I wasn't outside so much today. I was basically indoors in the AC. I was outside for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes. But even on a regular day when I do wear this makeup, because I have been wearing this for about 2 years. And guys, in the 2 years that I've had this makeup, I've been saying that I want to do this review for you guys. I actually have been wanting to do this review from the very first time that I got this bottle and tried on this makeup for the first time. And I don't know what happened. Time just kept going by, and no matter how long I have been saying I want to do this review, it just hasn't happened. But we're here today. This is now my second bottle that I'm on, and I think it's almost done, because when I was recording that video for you all with the makeup, I had to actually go off camera to do the pump because I was there pumping and nothing was coming out. But you know, the power of editing, I was able to go off camera, put it on the brush, and then just show you all. So yeah, there are some little tricks and tips that we go through with the whole editing of videos. So yes, this is my second bottle and I think it's almost done. But like I was saying guys, it really lasts all day, like literally all day. Even when I have it on and I go outside and I sweat, I get these little plucks just here, the little plucks here and up here, and sometimes in this area. So basically in the T-zone on my face. All I do, I always walk with my little handy dandy makeup bag. This is so cute. This is one of the gifts that we got from our girls' night that we had while my sister was here. Ooh, I should maybe do a little video on that because that was so awesome. But anyway, I digress. I just take my brush and I just pat in the little areas. No need to apply anymore. I kid you not guys, there is no need to apply any more foundation when your nose or your face or anywhere gets a little sweaty. You just take your brush. I use one side to basically almost like remove the little dots of sweat, and then I use the other side to blend it all, you know, bring it back together to get it to be nice and smooth so that there is no, you know, difference in color. It does not look patchy. That is literally what I do. I kid you not, this lasts all day. It is super smooth. It is light. The coverage is just amazing. Glasses on again. Now guys, one of the things I really love about getting this foundation is Shein offers the little packs. I don't think I have any more of them. I mean, it's been a while. I will post something here that you all can see. They have the little packs with the various colors that you can order. So you can order as many shades as you want, just so you know the exact color that suits you. And that is what I love about this makeup. So you don't have to be there wondering, boy, is this my shade? Because sometimes the screen that you use in order to search on Shein or search on any website, as a matter of fact, may have the color look different. So something will look a different color on your laptop or your computer than it will look on your phone because of the resolution that the device has. So that is really an awesome way in order to determine what shade is best for you. So you have the option to get the little packs in a multiple amount of shades until you decide which shade is yours. And let me tell you, the match is perfect. It is flawless once you find your perfect shade. So it comes in this little packaging. And if you want to know, my shade is now Truffle, and that's the same shade I've been using for the past 2 years when I've been getting this. It comes in this nice little velvety bag, which I find is so cute. I try not to throw it away. It's so nice and soft. And this is the bottle, as you would have seen from the makeup video I posted. And it has this little pump. which makes the application on the brush so much easier, guys. Now let me tell you, this is not expensive at all. It costs 10 US, 9 US and change, I think, so it's basically about 10 US. And the foundation that I used before this that was so good on my skin was the MAC, I think the MAC Fix It Studio something, but I had gotten it and then I never was able to get another one in that shade. I can't remember why or what happened, but then I came across this on Shein 2 years ago when I was looking for foundations. I ended up on Shein because I'm a Shein shopper, I'm always on the site. It kind of just popped up, you know, like they have the suggested things that you can buy. I think I was purchasing maybe nails or something at the time, and when I saw it I was like, oh, Shein has foundation. So I saw the little packs and figured, you know, why not try it, why not, you know. But I haven't regretted it. Let me tell you guys, you all need to try this. If you are into Shein, if you're into getting something that is really affordable, something that is really full coverage, because guys, let me tell you, I have these little marks here. You can't see it right now. In another video, I'm going to show it to you so you all can see. I had gotten some little insect bites here. You maybe can't see it slightly because I didn't put so much of the foundation this morning, but I think there's a mark here, and I think here has 1 or 2. And when I put this on, I kid you not, if you don't know I have the marks, you really won't know that I have the marks, because this is really, really full coverage. And a little bit goes a long way. And that is what I really love about the packs that they offer for you to match your shade, because the packs are small. They're about an inch in size all around, so it's like a 1-inch square. But the amount that's in there, and because you don't have to use so much when you're applying, it has enough that you can even use it while it takes you the time to get the foundation that you ordered. Yeah, so guys, this is really, really nice. I don't want to have this video too long because I basically said everything I need to say about it. But if you want, you can try it. I will leave a link in the description that you can check it out. I will leave a link for both the trial pack and the full-on foundation bottle. But guys, this is really truly an amazing foundation. I love it. I mean, and there's no scent. It's what I love about it most is that it's lightweight. It's lightweight, full coverage, and it's just amazing. It lasts basically all day, and even as it is matte, your face does not feel so dry. So I just put on my lotion in the morning, not a thick layer of lotion because I don't need a thick layer, just enough that I want to, because I need to still keep moisturizing my face. And then I apply this and my face does not feel dry at all during the day. It feels just so normal and so smooth. And you know, yeah, it's really, really a nice foundation. So I would recommend it, guys. So if you're looking for something that is inexpensive, something that is full coverage, something that is lightweight, that you don't need to go into applying all these tons of other makeup, this is all I wear. So when I am, you know, when I put on my makeup, you know, I went to work last week and I decided to put on some makeup after so long because of my illness, I was feeling so out of it and I just was looking miserable, feeling miserable. So I decided last week, you know what, I'm gonna make myself look pretty. And one of my coworkers said, oh my gosh, you're all glammed up today. And I said, thank you, with a big smile. And in my mind, I'm saying, it's only foundation, doll. It's only foundation. So I did not have to go through all this, you know, like some people do the concealer and the blush and all of these things. I don't do any of that. I just do the foundation. I do my lashes. I do my lipstick. And as you can clearly see, the MAC lipstick is still going strong. I put it on this morning. I ate today. I had drinks. I had water. The inside layer, the Lady Be Good, it's a little faded, but you can still see the effect of the lip from since morning. And it's what time I'm recording this video? It's 5:30 in the afternoon. I am recording this video and this is my face. And I did this at minutes to 7 this morning. So, I mean, this clearly speaks for itself. Yeah, this clearly speaks for itself. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Foundation. Let me know if you try it and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.